Welcome to today's video. Today we will continue to make some jewelry loosely inspired by Native Americans. In this case, it's just some fake gems. We're just gonna some fake gems, some real gems. We're gonna wire wrap them and try to incorporate some beads somehow. And today I'm just completely 100% experimenting. I did start a little bit yesterday to get an idea of what I wanted to do, and I thought this turned out pretty cute, so I'm going to try to make another one of these and turn them into earrings or something maybe. And then also I will do the same thing with some actual quartz that I found laying around outside. As you can see at the top center of the screen, I love wire wrapping rocks, and so I've wire wrapped geodes and quartz and like kind of random but pretty rocks. And in my experience, the bigger and wonkier shaped it is, the easier it is to wrap. When you wrap something, you want to get into crevices, and you want the bottom to be the smallest piece and the top to be the biggest piece. That way the weight, of the rock kind of goes down into this little cone so that it doesn't slip out easily. But when things are sideways, you rely solely on crevices to keep the rock from slipping out of the wire. And with these really extremely smooth fake amethysts, that makes it very difficult. So, it helps to twist the wires together anytime that they cross. That way it's, a lot more solid. And in my experience, I've learned a lot of little tricks with wire, like wrapping it and attaching it to things and stuff. And for beads, it helps to put a little loop at the bottom so the beads can't fall off. And in this case, I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with them, so I'm putting loops both at the bottom and the tops of these little segments of beads. You can see I'm trying to match and shape the beads with the amethyst, and nothing is really sticking out to me, so I just went ahead and put together some random things. And all of this was 100% experimental, and it was actually pretty fun because I didn't make myself try to make something really good. I just kind of had fun with it, and it was a lot more fun of an experience than I expected it to be, because in the past I've struggled with stuff like this, so today I was just trying to have fun. So I did a quick Google search, and there is a website called NativeAmericanJewelry.com, and it's got this section for gemstone meanings, and it says for amethyst, it is the birthstone of February. Amethyst is a beautiful gem known to bring the wearer a calm tranquility that deflects harm. Because of this, it is thought to bring out one's own creativity. And what it says for quartz is, don't let the translucent gleam of quartz fool you. The stone is very sturdy. The stone is worn to help the wearer grow their connection to the spiritual world and manifest their own mystical powers. In a couple of the books that I've read recently, they say that quartz is a good kind of like a replacement gem. Like if you don't have a quartz that you need, a gem that you need, this thing basically covers every kind of power, I guess. I can't find the books that I'm talking about, so I can't read you exactly what they say, but that's kind of what I remember it saying, I guess. And then another quick Google search. There are a couple gem and geode crystal websites, and they say that geode, which is my favorite thing to wire wrap, and also it's really fun to break them open and collect all the little pieces. It's really fun. I love doing it so much. It says that geode has meaning and properties of enhancing creative desire. This gemstone can let you create work that has passion and soul. It is useful when you want to attract many people. It is also good to use when you want to make a hit or create a masterpiece. Another source says that the geode helps you connect with your inner self, healing from within as the crystals in the geode grow inside the rock. A large geode can be placed in your room or office to create a flow of chi energy in the room and around you. That sounds nice. I actually just sent Joe, my biological dad, some geodes for his little rock collection, I guess. I don't know. I think I remember him saying something about wanting to collect rocks or crystals or something, so I thought it'd be cool to send him some, and so I did that last time I sent something. I love how pretty some gems and rocks and stuff can be. They're really fun to make art with. Like, jewelry is an easy way to use them to make art, and they're very shiny and pretty, and I like looking at them. It's really hard to incorporate beads with it, though, I've come to learn. If you guys make any cool stuff out of rocks or gems or geodes, tag samlescreations on social media. I would absolutely love to see them. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and happy crafting!